Our topic for today is algebraic process. And I want to encourage you to subscribe if you are yet to do that. Like our video, share it, download it. I love you all. So we want to solve 6 examples. Simplify the following. Number 1, x plus 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 x. You know, some people will be like, all these young mathematicians, they are here again. Mathematics is very interesting. Please, don't have phobia for it. Love the subject. Love the facilitators in charge. And I can assure you that you will succeed in it. And also try to apply mathematics in your real life situation. I want to encourage you to watch my video on coefficients. In that video, I enable you to discover that when you have a single letter like this, its coefficient is 1. And when you have like times, all what you need to do is to simplify their coefficients. Is to add or subtract. So s plus s here will give us 2s. 2s plus s will give us 3s. 3s plus s will give us 4s. 4s plus another s will give us 5s. Plus another x will give us 6s. Plus another x will give us 7x. Plus another x will give us 8x. Because the coefficient of each unknown variable here is 1. And they are like times. You can only add or subtract like times. You cannot add or subtract unlike times. Like times simply means they have the same letters. Y plus y plus y plus y will give us 4y. Question 3. 4p minus 2p will give us 2p. 2p minus 3p will give us minus p. Minus p plus 8p will give us 7p. Then question 4. You have 5x minus 3y plus 2x minus 2y plus 5. The first thing that you need to do is to collect like times. When you collect like times, there is something that you need to take note. The sign in front of each unknown variable must not be neglected. In fact, in mathematics, sign is very, very essential. I want to encourage you to watch my video on operation of sign. So you are going to have 5s. Another variable that looks like it here is 2x, and the sign in front of it is plus. So you are going to have plus 2x minus 3y minus 2y plus 5. The sign in front of each number is like its head. Imagine yourself without head. Or probably if you see somebody without head, what will you do? I trust you. You will run away. So you will proceed further to simplify. 5x plus 2x will give us 7s. Minus 3y minus 2y will give us minus 5y plus 5. Then question 5. We have 7x plus 8y minus 2z minus 5x plus 2y plus 8z. The first thing to do is to collect like times. Collect like times. Then you are going to have 7s. Don't forget that I told you that you are going to carry it with the sign in their front. 7s minus 5s plus 8y plus 2y minus 2z plus 8z. 7s minus 5s will give us 2s. 8y plus 2y will give us 10y. Then minus 2z plus 8z will give us plus 6z. And let's solve the last question for today. Number 6. We have 10r minus 2t minus 5r plus 4t minus 8. We are going to collect the like times. You will have 10r minus 5r minus 2t plus 4t minus 8. And this will give us 5r plus 2t minus 8. I want to encourage you to like my video, share it with your loved ones, share the link. See you next time. Thank you.